Why are you running?
What's not go happen? See the way you dress like hoodlums inside this environment, and you're asking me why am I running?
Run, no.
Don't be scared, please. I'm just going to number 31st because I'm supposed to deliver this Canada visa to Miss Rachael. So that's why I'm trying to look, and the environment is
Rachael, alright, Mini. Whoa. We are two jolly friends like this. At the primary school, same secondary school, at the moment failing, at the moment passing. We eat together, we sleep together, everything. We do it together. We are like two jolly friends.
That's fine. So at least you can help me to deliver this document. So
once you see me, you don't see the same.
But I still have many places to go. So you can help me to sign here.
Anything for my friend.
Okay, Afusa. Thank you.
Alright, so salute you too. What's the one about? Rachael father travel. You are Mundani because Rachael is a good person. Rachael waits for me.
What have I done to deserve this?
Surely you penny, no kilo nwa. Kimi by jọ̀wọ́ pè ní.
Obìnrin.
Ani nkọjá lọ ni wọ́n máa ṣe dokudo. Shut up, jàre kí ló fẹ́ sọ? No kí ló fẹ́ sọ? Tó mi mọ̀ ko tó ń wá kiri tó lọ báyìí tó pọ̀ kiri gbogbo nule onínúlé. Like okay, now see you feel like making apologize pẹ̀lú pé bóyá mo domi sí ẹ lára. Nǹkan ni mo rí tó ní kana. Èmi kana, inú kana yẹn ló máa dé jábọ́ sí.
Mo tún gbà mí.
Because you are a fool, idiot ni ẹ. I need with document. Idiot ni ẹ. Àti wá ti document ẹ ko punish you. Ó ti ya wèrè. Recently, ṣebí immigration mo pàdé lọ́nà náà ní fún ọ ní dọ́kúmẹ́ǹtì visa rẹ ti Canada.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
You know my Canada document that I've been waiting for the past 5
You are doing rubbish.
5 years. Ṣé mo ti wá sí oore dáràn? Ó nu o. Tó bá sì wúlò fún ọ.
You think that you are doing good. You are doing lunatic exculpation petrification of Jajatica.
There's no two ways about it.
Jesus.
Desania, sorry, oh.